You are in the heart of the forest. You hear it. A call you've waited months for. But as soon as you move, flutter. It's gone. Why do birds see you before you see them? They are the masters of detection. Today, we learn the art of becoming invisible. This isn't just a hobby. Welcome to the world of birding. It is a stealth mission, a game of shadows. But remember our first rule: the bird's safety comes first. Observation should never mean disturbance. To get close, you must understand how they see. Avian vision is a biological superpower. They detect movement 10 times faster than we do. To them, our fastest move looks like a slow-motion crawl. And then, there is the light we cannot see. Dose. This forest is green and brown. But birds see the world in ultraviolet. See this white shirt? To a bird, you look like a glowing beacon of danger. Neutral tones aren't just for style, they are for survival. Let's talk about the tools of the trade. Choosing your magnification is a balance of physics. An $8 times $42 offers a wider field and a steadier image. A $10 times $42 brings you closer. But every heartbeat shakes the frame. Sometimes, you need to bring the walls with you. Technology is your digital field guide. If you can identify the sound, you can predict the movement. Now, let's talk about the body. This is the fox walk. Roll your weight. Feel the ground before you commit. Never snap a twig. Never break the baseline silence. Use your peripheral vision. Sudden movement is a predator cue. Never point abruptly with your finger. To a bird, a pointing finger looks like a hawk's strike. If you must move, move like the wind through the trees. Listen. The forest is talking about you. That is an alarm call. You have been spotted. Now every bird for an acre has gone into hiding. This is the baseline reset. You must wait for the forest to forget you are there. When the normal sounds return, you are invisible. The stakeout begins. Our target: the long-tailed broadbill. Patience is a muscle you have to train. Ignore the small distractions. Lower your heart rate. Become part of the landscape. The payoff. This is a view 99% of people will never see. The connection is real. Birdwatching is the ultimate form of mindfulness. You aren't just watching nature. You are participating in it. What's the most elusive bird in your area? Subscribe to master the art of the wild. See you in the shadows. To move forward, never walk in a straight line. Sound travels differently in humidity. Deer ears, the low-tech way to amplify calls. Knowledge is the best camouflage. Finding a nest is a secret privilege. Watch the sky. The songbirds certainly are. Anti-reflective coatings save your position. Anything that glints is a signal to flee. Listen for the percussion of the woods. Nature's construction site. Drawing forces you to see. Not just look. Details matter. Different habitats require different stealth. Total immersion. The heron is the original master of invisibility. Speed from stillness. Learn from the professionals. Even your gear needs to hide. Elevation changes how birds perceive danger. Never skyline yourself. To a bird below, you are a giant shadow. Stay low. Stay hidden. Can you see the owl? Evolution's perfect invisibility cloak. They are always watching. Indirect observation. Curiosity can bring them to you. The reward of absolute stillness. Rain is the birdwatcher's friend. Rain masks the sound of your footsteps. They are less wary when the weather is heavy. Pushing through brush is an art form. Leave no trace of your passage. If you break a web, you announce your arrival. Respect every architect in the forest. Cross clearings quickly or not at all. Shadows are your highway. Breaking up the human silhouette. Contrast is more visible than color. Blending into the chaos of nature. Sand offers no cover. Getting down to their level. Perspective changes everything. Vibration is a signal. Distance is your friend. Don't forget to look up. The skyscrapers of the woods. For the truly distant, the engineering of distance. The golden hour of observation. The forest shifts its tone. Preparing for sleep. Respect the roost. White camouflage. Disappearing into the winter. The ultimate contrast. Reading the stories left behind. A map of a moment. Humidity and density. The struggle of the tropics. Bright colors in a bright world. Lean and mean gear. Birding is everywhere. Urban stealth. Adaptation at its finest. Birds are often unafraid of vehicles, using the familiar to hide. Recording the data. The theory behind the practice. Your observations help save species. The power of community. Passing the torch. The spark of wonder. Heat shimmer and long distances. Surviving the stakeout. Nature's cleanup crew. Below ground level. An impossible angle. Excitement is the enemy of stillness. Controlling the body to hide the soul. Moving water hides moving feet. Using the environment to mask noise. Invisibility beneath the surface. Breaking the hard lines of technology. Two eyes watching each other. Flowers as cover. A beautiful stakeout. The master of motion. Invisible to the naked eye. Seeing heat in the dark. Nowhere to hide from technology. But sometimes, the old ways are best. The transition. The ultimate night camouflage. Comfort allows for longer waits. The endurance of the observer. The dawn chorus. The sound of a healthy planet. Seeing with your ears. Acoustic tracking. Found it. The moment of clarity. A memory better than any photo. Leave only footprints. The end of the mission. Invisibility is a gift of respect. Comment below. Join our community of shadows. Until next time.